Paano?
Oh my
So,
God.
we're gonna play. Okay, alam niyo na itong...
The famous games.
Yeah. Alam
Games?
niyo itong
Game in the
game
TikTok.
sa TikTok. So we have here...
By the way, this is all tausug
Tausug.
kusin.
So ito yung...
Pastil. Sa loob.
Maghugas ka ba?
Yes, of course. Sa loob niya is toge. And yung isa naman is, yung sa loob niya is pansit. Ay, sorry, pansit. And this one is the daral.
Daral. Masarap to, masarap.
Sa loob niya is coconut.
And we have also mango.
Mango float from Panaderia. Let's start! I'm so excited.
Butter. Okay.
May also sauce for this one.
Okay.
And for the
Alam niyo na itong game na to, yung ganitong dice, okay? Parang try natin. So, if ever, ilan yan? 3. So, 3 bites.
Bites lang kami kasi hindi naman pwede isang ano.
Tsaka late na. So, paunahan muna tayo. Una.
Ang gutom na. One.
5. Ano?
Daya.
Madaya.
May bite agad.
Sauce. Masarap tong sauce nila. Tissue. Tissue tayo kasi tutulong.
That was Ingrid's breaking point.
Hinggitin natin. Para maubos ko ito.
Uy, nagabi ka naman. Grabe ang isang bite nila. Ay, baliktad. Togi pala yun dyan. Isa. Dapat kasi maliit lang ang bite mo. Maliit lang ang bunganga mo. O, isa naman.
No. Yup.
Pakatagal. Ako'y gutom na.
It's a good job you're charming, because you're actually quite irritating.
Shout out to Kaday Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much. Guys, in order namin to gabi na 9 p.m. na. Thank you so much. At least open pa sila. So, kung gusto niyo makatikim ng mga tausug kusin, tula itum, daral, bisan ano pa, pastil biyaon siya beef, chicken at asiwang kaunon. Order lang ka mga Kaday Abu Dhabi. Uy, nakailang bite ka na.
Dalawa na lang.
I think you should go. Is that the
Ay, lagyan mo na.
family?
6 sa akin. 6.
This is the website.
Are you serious? You think I should go to the memorial of the man that the entire world and their mother was
Not to mention.
Sarap ng sauce nila, guys. Grabe. Yung tiyatakad-takaran na mo. Ay, nagtausog na. Tiyatakad-takaran na mo. Pastil. Makatikman na, no. Wala kaming dinner. Wala pa kaming dinner. Ano na, ano lang kami kanina pala. Kasabaki. Oh! Open mo to.
You think Paige
6.
could turn up at the memorial?
Yeah. And if she does,
Ganun ka lang?
Press mo lang.
Press ka lang.
see if
Ano
you
yung
can
pa-press?
suss out any connection between Henry and Aaron and
4.
Paige.
So you're all coming?
No. I am off to a tattoo parlor tomorrow.
Sexy.
Ang cute
Found a
naman niya
flyer for a
kumain.
place in Henry's stuff.
Mm.
He doesn't have any tattoos,
Sarap.
and the place is 3 hours away, so why would
Pakita
he
mo yung
apply
loob.
for it?
Masarap.
Especially in this day and age. I
Panglawa na
think
yan, ah.
Henry
2 bite.
is in contact with someone there.
Second bite pala, 2 bite.
No
Second
connection,
bite.
Paige?
No idea yet.
Sarap ng sauce.
It's amazing.
Third
We
bite.
spend our lives telling our kids
Fourth.
trust strangers.
Rabang.
Yan yung kumain.
Who's that I trust you?
Madaya yan, hindi na.
Ulit. Daya, parang ako ang nagko-control, hindi naman.
Oh, di ba dapat ganun? Pang 2 bite mo na yan.
Daya. Hindi naman madaya.
Ako na
Ito talaga madaya. Kalawin mo.
Parang feeling namin, mabilis lang namin ito maubos guys kasi gutom na kami.
Wow.
Oh. Ito na. Let's try the daral. Tingnan nyo guys, no?
Sarap yan.
Coconut.
Teka,
Ang sarap. Hinikilig ako.
Three.
Sige lang.
Soda.
Ito lang kumakain ng Graham. Ang Graham kasi panghuli siya para ano. Ito, dessert lang naman siya. Sarap ng dalal.
Wow.
Ang sarap ng sauce nila guys, hindi siya maanghang. Basta sakto lang ang hanghang niya. Ang sarap ng suka, yung garlic.
Nililitan ko lang yung bite guys. Third.
Kuna. 6 na to. Pinali na daw. Ayusin mo yung cellphone mo. Dapat ganito guys para ano, masarap.
First bite.
Mm.
Second bite.
Mm. Sarap. Pang 5 bite mo na.
Ah, sige. Madaya itong kasama ko.
Ganyan ka naman. Muna tayo tubig, sorry.
It's like ito.
Ang last mo daw is yun.
Ba't
Try
ba?
mo yung pastil guys.
Ba't ba nagsasabi ka?
Sarap-sarap ng pastil. At sa tawag mong bon. 4?
Three pa lang.
3. Bakit sa kanya matataas ang number? Dapat 6 sa akin para mas na lahat.
Four.
Kaya mo hindi na kaya guys, maliit ang gumawa ni Boy. Ako na. Wala na to guys, akin na to lahat. Tignan mo, 6 na to. Let's claim it. Hala! Wala lang daral. Sobrang dami ng laman yung coconut.
Sarap.
Arte yun na lang po.
Ito na lang.
Sarap na, sus! Uy!
Naawa ko sa kanya.
Good one.
Wow. Sarap.
You can't keep stopping.
Sorry, who's this better?
Use it.
Three.
4. Okay, my turn. Ubusin ko na to.
Where are we going now?
Come on, 6. Come on, 6.
Somewhere important to us both. Somewhere very special.
Hindi kita. 3. Tubig. 3. Ubusin na natin itong daran. 1. 2.
Hello, we are piecing together Dr. Green's movements from Tuesday night. I told you to call the internal calculator. Here you go.
Ready ka na ba maubos yan?
Ang sarap kahit naghalo-halo sa bibig ko.
Stanfield. Going back to Tuesday night.
Isa
Are
lang
you
guys,
certain
di ba?
Dr. Green never left the hospital
Uy,
during
wag mo na. Madaya yan sa lalakihan
Has
niyo.
it already told you?
Uy, bakit? Wala naman sa rule ng ganun
We
ah.
have CCTV footage of her leaving the building at
Lagyan
8:03 that
lang
night.
sauce.
Ask your third time. Seems a bit redundant now, doesn't it?
Na, ang daming to. Malaking bite yan. Hindi maliit lang ang bibig niya.
You're absolutely right.
Patatawanin kita
So
parang.
just treat the staff
Na!
whenever she's working on
Grabe ka
Tuesday.
naman. Pang 5 bite yun oh.
Mexican
Ano,
street food
tama
place
na.
just around the corner. Because Tuesdays are nachos for nurses night, you see.
Ilang bite na lang po. Wala na to. Ubusin ko na
You
yung
can ask
packet.
any of the staff.
Two bite. Last na to. Pang 2 bite. Akin na to, guys. Ayokong kumain nung ano. Ano yan? Ng
Thanks.
mango float. Kasi hindi din namin na mauubos yung mango float.
Dami ko na kain.
Hindi masarap, guys. Yung ibabad niyo siya sa ano.
Sarap. Try nyo guys. Kung taga Abu Dhabi kayo sa may Almaria.
Kaya nyo din itong game na to nakakatuwa. So yun lang. Tapos na namin.
Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on our
Bye.
next food trip.
Bye.